Hello and welcome. I don't know how this will actually sound today because I'm testing out new settings on my microphone. There we go. Oh, maybe this will help a little bit more. Working with files and directories, it feels so echoey. Right, so this is what we're going to be doing today. Scroll down to the bottom. So it literally tells you how to do this, how to do that, trees, how to create files, blah, blah, blah. But the only thing it's asking you to do is just to check up on different stuff. So do cd. Right, so we do pwd just to check where we are. Awesome cd. Right, so what we're going to do first is going to do ls ls whack la. Then we're going to do var. Actually, I didn't tell you what questions you need. So what we need is what is the name of the last modified file in the var/backups dictionary. So basically, we're going to be going in here. So we could do, as you already start typing out, is ls space that. Well, yeah, that. So late. var backups. What? Nope. What? Yep. Will it work? Okay. So right now we're here. So it will list every single one. So you're ringing. Okay, which one is it? What turns out to be it's this one. This is the last, thingy updated file, which makes no sense. But yeah, it's apt that indexed state. Take that and copy that in here, and you'd have your answer. So the next question is, what is the inode number of the shadow.bark, which is a backup file in the var backups dictionary. So we're going to look for the number. Awesome. Down. Right. So new command, we're going to be typing in ls whack var whack backups whack dash I. And we look for the shadow. So there it is. So your answer is going to be this one right here. So with this one, when I had to refresh the page and type it out and then submit, and it worked. So don't get scared. This is the correct answer. And then after you complete this, press complete, and then we'll be off to the next module. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Hopefully that helped.